Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make this gorgeous maxi skirt with a shirred elastic waist and tiered ruffles. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss my DIY fashion tutorials. For the first tier, I cut out to pieces measuring 12 by 25 in. For the second tier, I used 12-inch by 50-inch to pieces. For the third tier, I used 13-inch by 75-inch to pieces. Now, on the first tier, we're going to fold the edge over twice to form the elastic casing. Measure 10 centimeters down, then mark every 1 centimeter apart. Now, take your elastic thread and stitch right along the mark we made earlier. Watch closely, I'm sewing across the mark here, and I'm using elastic thread for that stretch. Cut 10-inch length elastic and insert it using safety pin. Alright, the first tier is done. Let's get started on tier 2. Go ahead and sew a loose stitch right here. Pull and keep gathering until it lines up with the first tier's width. Alright, just place the right sides together and sew the second tier to the first. Repeat the same process with the other piece. Now let's move to tie 3. Go ahead and follow the exact same steps as you did on tire 2. Now, make a loose stitch along this section. Gather it until you reach the second tier width. Now, place the right sides together and stitch it. Alright, the tire is done. Let's go ahead and stitch the front and back together. Pin and sew by facing the right side together. Now, fold the bottom edge to times to create the hem, and overlock the raw edges for a clean finish. We've finished the skirt, and now you've got a beautiful handmade piece to wear. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more DIY fashion projects. See you in the next one. Don't miss my next sewing tutorial.